Morning folks, something I'd like to share with you, especially the Blaser owners out there, is a new concept that I've come up with, which is this 3D printed trigger mechanism stroke magazine holder. I came up with this concept last year after shooting in the Precision Rifle League competitions, where I realised the need for two trigger units. So I went out and purchased an extra trigger unit so that I could do speed reloads basically during stages where it required us firing in excess of our magazine's capability. That's the holster fitted to my belt on my trousers, and it's relatively low profile, as you can see. If you push your jumper down, obviously you can see it sitting there, but if you just stood normally, it's well concealed, doesn't look obvious, but again, quick to access. Okay, so if you're travelling with a firearm in the vehicle, then you can quite easily take that integral part out of the firearm, stops it working and functioning properly, and that's always stowed on your person and nice and secure. So I've got my combat belt here, again mainly rigged up for competition, but I utilise this belt for stalking as well, because it just means that I can quickly lift the belt from the front seat or the back seat of the truck as I'm diving out the door, throw it on, and it's got everything I need. Obviously, so I'll go ahead and throw this on. So as you can see there, fits nice and snug, and straight away able to index your spare magazine for the Blaser very quickly. This can be thrown on top of a jacket, again, so you've got easy access. There is a couple of holes drilled into the bottom of the magazine holder, so if it's raining, water can seep down and away from your ammunition. Okay, we've got the rifle set up there as if we were shooting a stage or out in the field, firing away. Rifle fires, fire stops, checking inside, no ammunition, empty magazine, magazine off, stowed away in the dump pouch. Next magazine on and back in. Okay, finished, stow that away. Rifle is now clear, and we can manoeuvre, move wherever we're going, and we know that we've got all our kit and it's securely stowed. Again, if we jump in a vehicle, belt off onto the passenger seat or back seat. Rifle's completely separate, so if we're in and out of vehicles quite a lot, as I am, we don't have any component parts in the rifle. Hopefully, as you've seen from there, it's actually quite good for even the hunter. Stick that on a belt on your person or on a belt that you take stalking with you, and your magazine, trigger unit, quite an integral part of the workings of the rifle. Big security system as well. You can actually pop that in there. As you can see, it takes quite a lot of force to pull that out. So it's not like you're going to snag that, pull it out, or lose your valuable trigger unit very easily. I hope you like it. Give us your thoughts, and get in touch if you're interested in purchasing one.